Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how to get that iconic hairstyle, that beautiful ponytail that Emma Chamberlain is often wearing in many of her videos? Today I'm going to share with you how you can do that, so let's jump into it. You won't need many things for this hair tutorial. It's super easy and super quick. Just a few combs, an elastic band. You can grab some hairspray if you'd like, and also some bobby pins if you need them to clip back extra hair that's falling. But it's not necessary if you don't need them. The first thing I noticed about Emma's hair is she doesn't wear a part when she has a ponytail or bun in her hair. Also, she has a lot of beautiful texture. It looks like she got in the shower, washed her hair, got out and let her hair air dry. If you don't have a texture like Emma's, that's okay. I just curled my hair this morning and that's what I'm using, so you can curl your hair or add a few waves or ringlets and then do that hairstyle that I'm going to show you today. So let's jump in. So I'm going to kind of comb my hair back just because she never really wears a part. All of the pictures and things I saw of her, she was never wearing a part. I'm pulling some little hairs in the front. She often has that look. And if I'm not looking exactly into the lens, I'm looking into the viewfinder so that I can see exactly what I'm doing because I don't have a mirror. So I'm just pulling up sections at a time just because I've noticed when you do sections of hair at a time rather than all together, it's a little bit easier to give it a little bit of a cleaner look and to bring the whole look together. You can use a finer tooth comb if you want to really clean it up, clean the style up, but you don't have to. I feel like Emma does a lot with her hands or wide tooth combs because it's not perfect. I noticed a lot of her ponytails and buns had a looser look right in the back, right through here, and it wasn't like she took a brush and really pushed it up so it was sleek and perfect. A lot of her styles are looking like she slept and lived in them for a few days, and I love that effortless look. So I'm just kind of pushing my hair a little bit forward because her hairstyles really are not perfect. And then I'm just going to make sure that it's nice and high because her ponytails are really high. Wrap that elastic band a few times and pull it nice and tight and kind of fluff it out. If you want a fluffier look of a ponytail, grab your comb and just rat away for a minute. Smooth it out, and that's it. That is her ponytail. Super easy, super cute. You can use it to work out at the gym, run errands, live your life. It's perfect. So I'm going to show you how the back looks. That's it. Cute, I'm ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're an Emma fan, thumbs up this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if there are any other people that you love watching on YouTube or a celebrity hairstyle that you want me to create next time, let me know down in the comments below. I had fun with this video and I can't wait to see you on Wednesday. Bye guys.